welcome to today's video. As you saw, today we will be unboxing my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag X. This is the first one ever, and as you guys may or may not know, if you happen to see my video, which I'll try and link up here, me discussing the fact that I had a lot of issues picking and choosing what my picks were for the Ipsy X. It's just been like a weird issue with the app. I actually tried to get on there now and I can't. So we don't know if my choices went through, but we're about to find out. I have not peeked in this box. I'm about to open it up with you guys for the first time, but before we jump in, as always, friends, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, and my snaps weren't snapping when they were supposed to. Anywho, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, am I excited about this? Yes I am. Now I do believe this is $55 for this subscription. It is not a monthly subscription with Ipsy. Okay, that's weird. Let me just show you guys real quick. So, do you guys see there is like one big circular doohickey and then there's like tape right here and right here. This seal was broke before I only got to this and I got ready to slide over, but it was already open. Okay, that's weird. That's really weird. So, anywho's it, this is $55. It is quarterly, and as far as my choices went, you did get to customize this box. However, like I was telling you guys, I was having some issues, and I have been having some issues with the app. Now, a lot of you guys have told me to just go ahead and reach out to Ipsy's customer service. Haley actually did that, and she was able to confirm her choices, her picks for the Ipsy X. I honestly, I forgot. I didn't get around to doing it. So, anywho, the first thing that I see in here is a whole doggone, like, newspaper, kind of similar to what you find in the, what is it called, FabFitFun box. Now again, I did pay for this box, and the way Ipsy X does work is it is curated by like a celebrity makeup artist or what have you, is my understanding. And I do believe Patrick Taub was the one who curated and had, like, I think, how many picks was it? Hold on, let me find the article. The way the Ipsy Glam Bag X works, it's quarterly limited edition upgrade that includes 7 to 8 full-size products, 3 you choose for yourself, that features the trendiest brands and exclusive launches, and then it says all specially curated by a mega celeb are the other items. So, anywho, and in here we've got all kinds of information we see right here on the cover. Patrick Taub, who I do love his products. I actually have a bunch of them, and it shows you some of the Patrick's picks in here, all kinds of different things. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first item I see in here is the Patrick Taub. She's adorable. Let's see if it has the prices in here by chance. No, it doesn't. And I know what you're gonna say, Rhonda, just go to your app. Y'all, I look at me. I joke you not. I kid you not. And I joke you not. This is what it looks like when I click into my app. Yes, I've uninstalled it. I've reinstalled it. I don't know. I tap it. Yeah. So I think it's just an all over Ipsy issue. I don't really know. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this full size Patrick Taub blush. And she's adorable. I am so excited. I'm going to try really hard to get this video edited and uploaded for you guys on Friday, because it literally just arrived. This is beautiful. It's so beautiful. Now, I only have his duo blush where it's cream and powder. This is so pretty. I'm gonna wear the you-know-what out of this in the summertime. I love these like peachy mango colored blushes. Like, oh, that is so... Why do I feel like it's gonna... It doesn't smell. And if it does, would I really be able to smell it? I mean, maybe a tiny, tiny bit. I mean, that's bougie. You guys know, I love subscription boxes because they fill that void of like not wanting to spend the bougie price tag. And $55, like I want to say these retail for like 30 some dollars. I should know. I literally have 3 of his cream powder ones. Okay, so the next item in here that was curated for me is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. They're right downstairs on the dryer. So the next item that is in here is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. These are like a 60 some dollar price tag, you guys. I have the original one and I was really interested in trying the new one, but I was like, nah, I'm not buying a whole new palette. But you want to put it in here, okay. So I mean, ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how pretty the palette is. Like, why do I act like I'm seeing it for the first time? I mean, I'm not. These shades are just absolutely gorgeous. Sorry, we have a bunch of snow, and apparently we have somebody who is just being all kinds of crazy out there, if you guys heard that. Let me pull my original Huda Beauty palette. I'm just curious. I haven't pulled this out in so long. So originally, the case, you could see right through it. Oh yeah, I mean, the colors are obviously the same, but they definitely look softer on the brand new palette. Okay, I'm excited. I'm intrigued. I can't wait to play. Some of the shades kind of look a little different. Okay, so that was the next item in here. So again, $55 for this box. And these 2 items right here, well over the $55 price tag just for these 2 products. So I'm pretty excited about that. Again, these were the picks. I'm trying to think what the other picks. I'm going through checking stuff out. I think this was another pick. This is the Matte Paint It Lip Color. Oh, okay. So this is a brand that I saw in the PR, but it was for your eye. So I think this was a pick. I did not choose this one. This is a really pretty mauve color. It actually looks darn near identical to the eye color, kind of. It's definitely not a color that I could put on my lips, because you guys know it would probably be really pretty, especially paired with this Huda palette. But if you guys know me, you know your girl like panics when things get a little too dark for me. I just cannot. I cannot. Okay, moving right along. The next item here, this was one of the picks too. This is the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. Ooh, we gotta open her up. I have never, believe it or not, tried the Pat McGrath mascara, but I so have wanted to, and I am super excited. Again, this is like a $29 mascara. I have a ton of the Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes. I have her foundation, I have her concealer, but for whatever reason, I have not tried the mascara, and I am super, super excited about that. I think the next item in here, again, this was a pick. This is the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Wow, Rhonda. Oh, this is different. All the little gadgety things I have, I don't have this. So that's interesting. I don't know what to say about that. Sorry guys, I'm not giving you guys the prices because I did not see them in here in this little newspaper. And again, my app is not working. So let's talk about my picks. So did I get my picks? Guys, I got the first pick, and this is the IGK Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I absolutely love this stuff. Now, let me warn you guys, I feel like you definitely have to train your hair when it comes to, like, you know, getting 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Oh, yeah, I said it. 3, 4, 5, or 6 days in between your washings. And this is like a day 3 type of dry shampoo for me that will push it out a good 2 or 3 additional days. I know it sounds crazy, but if you just like train your scalp, you will love it. It does have like a funny feel to it, but not funny feel. It just feels like there's stuff in there. It definitely absorbs the oils, like definitely absorbs the oils. So I was really excited to see this as a choice. Again, this is like a $20-some dry shampoo. It is one of my favorites. I have a backup, guys, that I keep handy right here all the time. That's how much I love this stuff. It's bougie, it's expensive, but again, to get it in my subscription box, that has me pretty excited. Next, okay, so next I see a lot of people talk about these and I thought, you know what, why not? This is the Marmalade press-on nails in Aria. I don't know, I've not ever done a press-on nail, only because I have insanely freakishly small nail beds. Like any single time that I ever went and got my nails done, whether it was gels or specifically acrylics, I always, no matter where I went, they would always tell me like, you have the smallest nail beds. I'm like, thank you. Because obviously my waistline and my booty didn't take after my nail beds, you know. So yeah, I've always been pretty hesitant when it comes to press-on nails, just because of that. It never fails. Like if I have picked a pair up before to try out, they never have the sizes that I need for my fingernails. It's really odd, but these look promising. These look really promising. The next item in here is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm super excited to try this out. From what Haley said, she saw it was like $65, but apparently it also has a retail value of $100 and some odd. I guess it's a larger size. So this is the 4 ml 0.13 fluid ounces. It's a 6-month supply, so maybe this is $100 and some one, but either way, I'm pretty excited about this box. So if you have the same issues that I had as far as the app not working for you, you guys, my choices, I got them. All 3 choices. I am shook. I am excited. I cannot wait for this. Next quarter, every quarter, we're going to see the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and I thought this was pretty awesome. I mean, Patrick Todd did a great job curating this on the favorite picks, and do I feel like we got our $55 worth? Abso-flippin'-lutely. Yes, yes, yes. Now, Haley and I are going to come back. We're going to do our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag, and then we're going to do our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag X. As we know, or you may not know, on the months that we get the Ipsy Glam Bag X, there will not be an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25. This is kind of like the souped up version of it, and it definitely was. Like, Ipsy nailed it. This was awesome. I'm super excited. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Are you excited that Ipsy is offering a quarterly bag? There is not a bag that is actually in this box, which I'm totally okay with. I mean, put it in the products. I'm very pleased with that. So anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. I actually have to run out. I have my son back here ready for work. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. Check me out on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I've been doing some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over there. I'll pop a picture up of the channel, and then I'm going to pop up a QR code. A lot of you guys have been using that and going over to my Instagram and following me. Thank you so much. You guys know I've been trying to get that 10K swipey uppy for a few months now, and if you just go ahead, take your smartphone, put your camera on this QR code, it's going to take you right over to my Instagram handle at hotmessmama4. Give me a follow over there. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay guys, I'm hopping off for now. All information as far as my top, which is from Tarte, I'll have linked down below. My makeup will be linked down below, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.